Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by freeing the host. Close unnecessary apps and pause backups so the virtual desktop gets CPU and RAM. Next, secure a fast network connection, prefer wired or a clean 5 GHz band, because latency kills responsiveness. Once done, allocate realistic VM resources. Give enough cores and 1/2 to 3/4 of free RAM rather than maxing out. Make sure GPU pass-through, or virtual GPU, is enabled if available. That offloads rendering and makes everything feel snappier. You now tune the VM for real use. Enable 3D acceleration, or assign a virtual GPU and install matching drivers inside the guest so graphics are hardware-assisted. Reduce the guest resolution and use 60 FPS or an adaptive frame rate to cut bandwidth and rendering load. Adjust the power and performance plan to favor high performance, and if the guest compositor adds lag, disable it. These changes reduce CPU and GPU contention and improve perceived responsiveness immediately. Finish by fixing bottlenecks. Enable CoS or traffic prioritization so virtual desktop packets are first in line, and offload VPN if it introduces latency. Place the VM on an SSD, enable caching and trim to avoid I/O stalls. Then run a short stress test while monitoring latency, CPU, GPU, and disk I/O so you can spot the slow link. If things still lag, reboot host and guest to clear drivers and caches. If problems persist, roll back recent changes or swap network cables.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.